committed suicide. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby, and tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, mold your soul, just split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point it, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Will never be somebody you can run through. And I can put that in my life one time, no care, big vibes, so that catch feels, yeah. If you make it better, you can lie. Just be some of my time. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest. You want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk them majestic, but the way your body twisting make me lose control in this thing, boy. And it's all because I'm thinking of us. Don't go throw me under the bus. I never spent that money. I don't know why nobody want me. Is it my baby when they with me, man? It's your things like my deep, man. If I do you bad, I beg and I'll never lie. You want me to know why.
Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want it, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you see my video for the first time, welcome. My name is Lydia Parker and I just showed you guys my morning routine, which actually has bled into my afternoon, but okay because whatever. So I do have a laser appointment which I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I just finished eating a large breakfast, and you know, when I finished my workout I was like, let me quickly make pancakes and eggs, and then I'm like, no, I'm not actually hungry. Thank God I did not actually leave the house, because after like I think 1 hour ish, 45 minutes to an hour, I started feeling really hungry. Like when I was doing my hair, the hunger hit me like boom. And I'm a breakfast person, like I'm the type of person to eat breakfast, but I was like, okay, since I'm trying to like, you know, get in shape, I've been working out so much more these days, like almost every other day. So proud. Almost every other day. So I was like, let me just skip the breakfast, maybe when I come back I'll eat. Okay, yeah, I think I actually skipped breakfast because it's now almost 2 o'clock. If it's not already 2, which my appointment is by 2, but I'm waiting for my taxi, so I figured I would just tell you guys. Excuse me. I'm waiting for my taxi, so I figured I would just like, you know, walk you guys through what has been happening or what I've been doing. Yeah, I think that makes more sense. But anyways, yeah. Let me get my shoes, get my bag so I don't forget anything, and just like turn off all the lights, and then I'll take you guys with me. So I finally got to the laser place a little bit late, but it's okay because they still took me. So yeah, this is the woman that does my laser, and she's super sweet, like so sweet. She used to do my laser in the other place, and now she's doing it in this new place. And yeah, I do have some hyperpigmentation, which she said that over time the laser is going to take it out. So I don't know how long it's going to take, but yeah, it's actually doing its job, which is reducing the hair growth, because my hair don't grow as much as it used to, and I have missed some appointments. Now that's on me, but yeah, I'm trying to get back and really be serious about the laser because I don't want hair anymore. I'm just tired of hyperpigmentation. Yeah, and she was really sweet. She kept asking me like, does it burn, does it hurt? And I'm like, no, it's okay. She was asking that to know if she was going to reduce the temperature or not. And yeah, I did my bikini line as well, but obviously I can show you guys that. But that's basically everything. So I'm back home, and I wanted to finish this video first before I take off my clothes and just relax and just feel at home. And yeah, okay, so basically a little bit of a story time. So the place that I went to today is not where I used to do my laser. I used to do it in somewhere around, what's that place called now? Yenikent. You might not know where that is, but it doesn't even matter. So I used to do it in this other place, right? But with the same woman. And when I messaged her, I was like, oh, please, I want to come in for laser. When can I come in? Like, when would you be available, basically? And she said that she's no longer working at the other place that she used to work. I was like, oh, okay, where are you working now? So she's working in this other place. I was like, okay, is the price going to be the same? Because I'm not about to pay extra, because no. So she said, yeah, the price could be the same for me. I don't know if it's just for me or like for everybody else. But she said, yeah, I could pay the same price. I was like, okay, no problem, cool. Because laser, I do my underarm and I do my bikini area. I don't want other people to see me naked, like, you know, even though she's a woman and I feel comfortable with her, I'd rather do it with someone that I'm already doing it with. as opposed to going to the other place I used to. And guess what? I actually really liked the machine that they had here. Like, you can basically, it's in English, which is great. The other one didn't really have a lot of options, but she knew what she was doing either way. You could literally select the skin type, and she put dark, because if the skin type is not the same for the laser, it might burn your skin. But she actually selected dark, which I was like, oh wow, this is, yeah. And the machine actually looked pretty new. And the owner of this other establishment was so sweet. She offered me a free facial. She said because my face is good. I'm guessing that was a compliment, saying that I was beautiful. I'm getting a free facial on Tuesday. Yeah. Anyways, don't want to ramble too much. It was a good day. I'm exhausted. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, girl, I'm gonna come and beat you in your house. I'm joking, obviously it's a joke. But I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, because the only way from here is up. Anyways, thank you so much for watching.